Amigos, here are your directions for today, el 18 de marzo. So we're going to practice saber versus conocer some more. We have first, though, our communication activity for the day. For this week, please make sure you quickly fill out this form. 2 quick questions. How are you doing with saber and conocer? And explain. If for some reason this form doesn't load, click the link underneath of that to access that, and then submit it with the purple button and on Schoology. And then you're going to do boom cards practice with saber and conocer. So once you open this up, it'll ask you to log in with your school email. Just make sure you sign in with Google, and it will bring you to this set of boom cards. So what you're going to do is you're going to decide, does the sentence need a form of saber or does it need a form of conocer? And then you're going to drag the reason up to this yellow box. So for this first one, we have you and Maria. You saying, I know Maria. So if you're talking about knowing a person, remember we use conocer. Conocer goes with people and places, and saber goes with facts and how to do things. So I'm going to use a form of conocer for tú, conoces. So I'm going to type that in the box. If you need any accents, you can click these buttons or use the international keyboard. And the reason I'm using conocer is because of people. So I'll click submit. It'll tell me if I'm correct, what part is wrong if I'm wrong, and then it'll move on to the next question. So you'll keep going until it runs out of questions, and then you'll submit assignment. And then you have an assignment on Edulastic to practice this a little bit more. You can open it in this window. You can open it in a separate window if it's easier for you to see. You're going to do some practice, just some basic choose between saber and conocer. So I give you the conjugations. You choose which one is correct. And then just got to get to the next set of questions just a second. Then you're going to have somewhere you type in the conjugations. So I have yo and esquiar. I know how to ski. I'm going to use the yo form of saber, which is yo sé, and type that in there. And then you're going to read a little story about Edgar el Elefante. So Edgar the elephant, you're going to read about that. It's going to have you do a few things with the story. So for this first question, it says read the story and highlight all of the uses of conocer. So you're going to find all the sentences that have a form of conocer in them, and you're going to click them. Your multiple ones. And there's more than that. I did 2 of them for you. You can find the rest yourself. And then it's going to ask you to do some things with those sentences. So why are you using conoce in that sentence? And then the same thing, it'll do some questions with saber when we get there. There we go. So you'll pick the saber sentences, and then you'll indicate why those sentences are using saber. So it's a little bit of reading practice with your grammar as well. And when you're done with that, you'll click Submit Assignment in Schoology. We'll quiz over saber conocer again on Tuesday, so be preparing and let me know if you have any questions. Adios.